Imagine waking up one day, everything you ever wanted being gone. It's the scariest situation I've ever been in my life. Layla's about 3 years old now, and she's had a bunch of open heart surgeries, and she will have to have one each year for the rest of her life because one of the 4 valves in her heart were working, and had a tumor, so it was replaced with cow tissue. She has a lot of damage to her brain, completely blind in her left eye. The only survivor out of, I think 7 babies now, and I'm just very blessed to have her in my life, and I love her and her mom so much.
Come on, smile on it.
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile in the future. But through whatever you see, through all the rain and the pain, you gotta keep your sense of humor. You gotta be able to smile through all this. Just keep your head up.
Our lifestyles be closed caption, addicted to favorite attraction. Pictures and actions be played back in the midst of mashing. No fairy tales for this young black male. Some see me stranded in this land of hell, jail and crack sale. Hustling and hardly think of culture, or the repercussions while busting on backstabbing vultures. Selling my soul for material wishes, fast cars. Wishing I live my life a legend, immortalized the pictures. Watch that tears say yo sympathy. My childhood years was spent burying my peers in the cemetery. Here's a message to the newborns, waiting to breathe. If you believe you can achieve, just look at me. Against all odds, though life is hard, we carry on. Living in the projects, broke with no lights on. To all the seas that follow me, protect your essence, more with less, but you still precious. Just smile for me now. Smile for me now. Smile. Look at all sample. Black. Smile for me now. You ain't got nothing to be worried about. No doubt. Smile for me now. And the next generation. Now as I open up my story, you can blaze in your gut, so you can fix your thoughts slowly. On phrases I write, and I can walk you through the days of the duck. I often wish that I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Have you ever seen him? Who was strong in the game, overlooking his tomorrows, and if I only came look back on childhood, a reason I'm still here. Turning circles in my 9th grade, dealing cocaine. Too many houses in the local nights, surviving strain. And a man without a focus, like driving insane, stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it changed. But when I focus on reality, we broken and chained. Had a dream of living wealthy and making it big. Over football, told to cook raw, taking it big. And after all, my mama's thanking God for blessing a child. All my mama got to do now, collecting and smile. Smile.